We are a 243,000 square foot facility located in the heart of Northwest Indiana, part of the Ryerson family of companies. The company is truly invested in this facility and keeping this facility moving forward for future expansions.
We recognized that there was an opportunity in the marketplace to put a world-class laser center right next to a world-class temper line. The old way of manufacturing a part, automation loads material onto a laser bed. From there, that's where it stops. What Ryerson has done is we've combined all those processes without any human intervention at all. So we have automation that loads the raw materials onto the machine. We have automation that cuts and moves parts. Robots that grab parts and form them, and additionally, package them. The first time any human intervention is introduced is when they put a tag and a band on the product. The new laser center is all the automation that we could possibly fit inside of one machine to get everything done in one spot. That way we give you better lead times, better pricing, better reliability on delivery. We have competitors that have automation in laser cutting and maybe even some automation in forming. This is the first and only at the service center level in the United States.
I'm glad to be part of the process. I jumped at the chance to work with such state-of-the-art technology. It is the future. Having this here that allows for your steel to be leveled and cut essentially in the same day and shipped out the same day or next day. Here you have a machine that's going to run all day, every day.
What Ryerson Advanced Processing brings to the table are solutions. It's not just one-dimensional that we have a new laser center, but that we offer real solutions for every product line. With the amount of material that we stock and the processing capability that we can bring to the table, we can apply any manufacturing process to almost any product out there. That's what Ryerson Advanced Processing does. That's why you do business with us, because we don't stop at the one-dimensional aspect of it. We finish it from all angles.